Sadim, right now we are standing here in Sebokeng, zone or extension 3. What is it?
It's zone 3.
Okay, zone 3. And what is the difference between a zone and an extension?
I don't think there's much. It's just that you call it a zone and extension.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last year we did a project in Bopalong and Everton West. This year we will go to Sebokeng, of course, to renovate a youth center. How was the experience in 2007 in the last project?
Hey man, I can't say much. That was a massive experience. But I think the important thing is, Sandra, you learn to work with other people, but not just for the purpose of getting paid, but for the purpose of helping the community. That's the most important part. Helping those who cannot help themselves, to put them to a certain level that they become the best.
So this year we are doing something more. We are also trying to clean up the playground behind us and put in some new floors, stuff like that. The last project we didn't because it was too big. There were too many issues going on. That's why we are choosing this year for a smaller project. Do you think that when we are trying to make it a whole concept, it will be better for the people here?
I think it would be. You see, the first project had its own things, and I think the more we have these projects ongoing, the more we start learning the needs of the community, the more we start to change the approach of the project. So playing part in the field, putting some new floors in the field and new grass and gardening, that is one of the most needed things, because this is a youth center, and youth doesn't only have to be indoors. They also have to go outside and play some games. So we are actually we think this is a small project, but I think it's going to be a big project.
And what is the role for the youth center in this area?
There are several things. One, what you would say is this youth center is trying to take youth around away from drugs and other illegal matters, to put them around, gather some ideas, and this is where they should put in ideas and say, this is how we are going to approach poverty, this is how we are going to approach a fight against HIV and AIDS. Now, this is so important to the community and the youth around.
Okay.
Yes.
The last project, you also had a role in there. What will be your role this year?
I think I'm promoted now. I'm gonna play a bigger role now, like a leadership sort of role.
Because normally you are a student at the VUT.
Exactly. I'm gonna play a role that is going to help people, like the little knowledge that I have, just try to transfer the knowledge to other people of the community, and my group from the university that did not experience the same experience that I had last year. Now I think that is going to be nice.
Okay. Well, thank you for this interview.
Thank you, Sandra.
And have a nice day.
Thank you.